All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So as you guys can go ahead and see, we are filling up the buckets right here to go ahead and get this thing washed up. This is actually gonna go ahead and be its first wash since we got it back. And I know it's honestly really hard to see that it's dirty on camera. It's honestly not dirty that bad. You go ahead and see a couple layers of little dust. But regardless, jumping into the actual video, we have the dynaperformance carbon right here. We're gonna go ahead and be installing today. So that's why I want to go ahead and get it washed up so it looks really good. So that way when we take some photos, videos, etc., the car's gonna look good overall. But I am super happy that we're finally gonna go ahead and be switching out a lot of that carbon right there. We may keep some red aspects. I'm not entirely sure, but more than likely we're gonna go ahead and replace it all with dynaperformance as time goes. So we're gonna go ahead and get the S550 washed up, and then we'll go ahead and actually open this up. So first thing is first, we have the new ones right here. We got to go ahead and pull off. Again, let's just go ahead and be mostly the center console. We'll go ahead and get the rest at a later time. Right now, let's go ahead and pull off all that red. Nice and easy. So nothing against the red, but definitely want to go ahead and switch it out. There we go. So just finished the install. You guys already know this spot. You guys have seen this before. We brought the Shelby, we brought the Cobra. We actually did the walk around. I am going to go ahead and get to a walk around at some point soon, hopefully. With that being said, you go ahead and see we barely have any sunlight. We honestly just finished in the nick of time. We're just going ahead and getting some clips done right now. Can't wait to see how they come out. We're getting these done for dynaperformance, so stay tuned for those. So I just got back home. I'm gonna go ahead and actually clean up all that mess you guys see right there. Again, huge shout out to Christian. I cannot wait to see how those videos come out. You guys will probably already have seen them at this point because I would edit them in, obviously. But again, that is YouTube timeline. You guys keep hearing me say that. But I'm gonna go ahead and keep saying it just because there is so much stuff going on in the background, man. We got the Cobra there still down. We have the Shelby also parked away. Beautiful lights that you guys may or may have not seen for the install on that. Again, stay tuned for all of that because there is so much going on in the background. But with that being said, again, huge shout out to Christian. I really appreciate you, bro. Huge shout out to dynaperformance for hooking it up and allowing us to go ahead and make this video. With that being said, we're gonna go ahead and pick up the camera later. So heading out for another photo shoot day. Got the boy Lonely right here. She got 3-valve. So we just pulled back up. Again, shout out to Lonely for getting those photos done. But Lonely, you suck, man. Look at that. This car was all nice and clean, and he just had to put his big old footprint right there. Back in the S550, and unfortunately, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what we actually get over there. But I hit the wall with the wheels, man.
2.7 miles, keep right to merge onto CA 99 North.
I literally curb rashed my wheels against the wall, and I am so pissed off right now. But we're already running late for the video shoot, so I'm just kind of jamming there. It's really, really unfortunate, but honestly, shit happens. And it's just, it is what it is at this point. It's all good. I'll get them redone, but it just sucks because it wasn't one, it was actually two. So I touched up one a little bit because I noticed it last night, but then I didn't notice the front one until this morning. and I'll go ahead and show you guys that one once we get over there. Found him. So we are low on light, but the 14 does pretty good. Pretty much how it is right now. You go ahead and see the sky, it looks beautiful. Just went ahead and got done doing some videos, but I want to go ahead and show you guys what had happened. And I don't think I'm actually gonna be able to show you that well just because it got so dark already. I don't even know where it's at. So this side I touched it up, you can't even really tell, but this side, like I said, I didn't touch it up because I didn't have time because we were already late for the shoot. So you go ahead and see those little nicks right there, and it gets a little bit worse right there. Unfortunately, because the garage I usually park the Shelby at is where I parked this one at, and it's just really narrow, so I actually hit one side. I'm pretty sure I hit that side going in, and I hit this side coming out. So like I said, honestly, shit happens, but we are very, very satisfied with the carbon fiber that we have in here, which is the main purpose of this video. You go ahead and see it came out looking really, really good. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and pull off some of that red carbon as we switch it with the black. But right now, some red does look good. Hopefully we'll get a dynaperformance steering wheel at some point because I definitely wanna go ahead and replace that whole steering wheel. So again, shout out to dynaperformance because that carbon fiber came out looking really minty. Also shout out to Christian with Fractic Films for shooting it. And if you guys are in the 559 area, definitely hit them up to get some work done. But like I said, the little bit of red accents kind of bring it all together. I'm honestly thinking about keeping some red, but like I said, this whole steering wheel needs to go. So right now I'm popping a Monster real quick, a little FTV. Oh damn, it's nice to have an automatic so I can actually do this. So right now we're actually heading over. The bottle is still attached in the trunk, so don't mind the Halloween stuff back there, but we just got the bottle filled up for the kit. All right, sweet. So I just got my 15 and I was able to go ahead and tighten it down. And we pretty much opened the bottle now, so we should be good to go. So we have the button right here, and we pretty much have it coming out of that end for right now. And you go ahead and hear my airlift. So right now, we pretty much have it coming out of that edge right there. We have the button right here. So let's go ahead and see if we can see some of it. Yeah, go ahead and see a little bit. So that's pretty much the Purge kit. So I'm super happy with that, just to mess around with it in all honesty. And again, this isn't really something I may have gotten myself, but it's here, so why not use it, right? Better say some room for my heart. It's a big something else going on over here now? And there's a fire on this side. I'm telling you guys, man, it's wild. Always something going on everywhere I'm at. This thing is so wild. So I really didn't show too much there. In all honesty, we're pretty much just chilling. With that being said, we were able to make a TikTok. So if you're not yet, follow me on TikTok. Definitely go ahead and do that. Shout out to D for helping me out with that one. So with that being said, that's gonna go ahead and be the end of it for this video. Again, a huge shout out to Christian for getting the videos done, and a huge shout out to dynaperformance for this amazing opportunity. Again, there's a little peek at that carbon fiber. We'll hope to see some more, switching out the red slowly but surely. Alrighty guys, if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and consider subscribing. It'll help out a lot. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.